Microsoft's decision to remove the AC-3 codec, Dolby Digital, from Windows 11 version 2.4H2 signifies a shift towards more modern audio standards. While it streamlines the operating system, it's important to understand the implications for users who rely on Dolby Digital playback. Here's a breakdown of the situation. Impact: the built-in media player and other stock apps will no longer be able to play media files encoded with Dolby Digital. This could affect playback of older movies, videos, or even certain music files. Workarounds. Microsoft Store. The functionality isn't entirely lost. You can download codec packs from the Microsoft Store that specifically add Dolby Digital support back to the media player. Third-party media players. Media players like MPV Player are popular alternatives that offer built-in support for a wider range of audio codecs, including Dolby Digital. This can be a good option for users who prefer more feature-rich media players or those who need broader codec compatibility. OEM pre-installation. If your device is from a manufacturer with a close partnership with Dolby, it might still come pre-installed with the AC-3 codec. This would allow for continued Dolby Digital playback without needing additional downloads or software. In conclusion, the removal of Dolby Digital support from Windows 11 2.4H2 might require some adjustments for users who depend on it. However, with the availability of codec packs in the Microsoft Store, alternative media players, and the possibility of OEM pre-installation, there are still ways to ensure Dolby Digital playback on your system.